Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 54 of building the 1966 classic Batmobile. In this issue, we're fitting the speaker. Not much to do today, but there we go. Deep Freeze, we're still talking about Mr. Freeze, not Dr. Freeze. Feels like it should be a doctor. Don't know, but there we go. Holding Miss Iceland in a cage. We plan to take her to Switzerland. With $1 billion, he intends to extort from Gotham's at $1 billion. There we go. Curtains for you, Mr. Freeze, not us. Good stuff. Batgirl costume. Tropical gift dad. Barbara Gordon. There we go. Detective Comics. The question. Well, that one is. Not sure. A bit more moody and muscly Batman there. So yes, this is what we're going to be doing. The battery box cover, which just goes over the battery box, nice and easy. The speaker bracket, and 2 screws to hold that in place. So speaker pots in, bracket goes over the top, screws in, battery cover just goes over there. Yeah, we'll see about fitting some batteries to it when we get the other bits of the circuit installed. So let me clear this out of the way, and we'll get that fitted very, very quickly. So this is what we have: the cover, the speaker, 2 screws, 3 screws, because there's always a spare. 1 spare in our cup, and the battery cover, which just pops in place, doesn't even need a screw to hold that together. So let's get that on there first, shall we? Because that's on the other side. Turn this over. Goes over the battery pot there. Haven't put any batteries in it yet, but just snaps in place so you can put batteries in it where you will. The switch we fitted the other day just down there. All good so far. And then back on this side, we've got screws, the speaker, and the clip. Speaker's going to go over there with the wires coming out this side. Just sits in there. A bit like that. Very thin speaker, this one. A lot of them have got bigger drivers in them, but that's just going to sit on there like that. The cover goes over the top like that, and the screws obviously will just go in and hold it together. One in there, and one over the other side. Nothing too difficult with any of this so far. There we go. Is that so we've now end up with 3 wires poking around from the back here. I'm not sure if next time is going to be the circuit or if it's the one after. No, I think the next one is in fact getting the circuit connected up. So we'll see that, and we'll see if anything happens when we plug them all together. I'll get some batteries in it. So for now, that is it. Another issue done. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.